like button, leave a comment, and tell us what you think. Don't forget to share the fun with friends. It didn't quite go as planned. Urgent rescue needed. How did these adorable troublemakers make you feel today? Did any of these cats remind you of your own fur?
Hey guys, I lost my cat.
The most perfect hiding spot is where no one expects.
My cat, so
This cat is a master of disappearing acts.
You can already tell somebody made a terrible decision here.
Did you do this?
Share your funny pet stories below. I would love to hear them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, goodbye, and see you in our next exciting video.
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment.
sorry, he's new here.
Thank you so much for watching.
Oh my god, what the hell? You nasty cat.
Persistent
Accompanies it.
He literally installed a touchless faucet in his backyard.
Can someone please explain what's happening here?
Look, the damn thing is decrepit. It's gonna break the thing! Get out of here!
Under of a very hairy tank.
She has in her kennel, and I look over. I've never seen this toy before. Because it's a block of ice from the backyard.
Franklin, are you in your little bread basket? Oh, look how small he is.
Yeah, bang. Stay.
He doesn't understand. Watch this.
Professional attention seeker right here.
No.
This look deserves its own runway.
It's the purple one. All right.
Runty baby has dark purple.
Kitten Superhero is practicing climbing. Look how adorable he is trying so hard.
Welcome to where fur meets funny. Get ready for the clumsiest puppies that are guaranteed to make you lose it. Let's get into the laughs.
Can't go anywhere without his favorite toy.
Where are you going? Why are you approaching me? Can you not? Sir, can I? What the?
Member of the peacock family.
Cancel.
Waiting to say hi to the baby first thing in the morning.
Once nursing it back to full health, they were finally ready to release it back into the wild.
So cool.
Winston, what are you doing?
He's just trying to figure out what Halloween even is.
Forget.
She did not sign up for this. Male sage grouse perform this display every spring in the same spot, called a lek, to attract females for their burrows, to protect them from heat and predators.
Who refuses to get out.
What are we gonna do? You have to be okay with your mom leaving the house. Okay?
He understood the idea, just not correctly.
Hey, Zelda.
Love you. I'm sorry. I just wanted to give you a kiss.
Sit. Where's my good girl?
I don't think he wants it.
He's so dramatic.
Give it.
Grammy ready with those piano skills.
Stinkt dir das?
King-like posture while being carried. This cat is completely natural and comfortable. What a boss.
Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here.
Move her ear, move her ear.
Right here with my fingers up.
Her ear, bro.
Fai prendere la posta. Porta, porta. Andiamo.
Brianna, what are you doing here?
She's brave. Those things are basically feathered dinosaurs with a bad attitude.
Oh, just woke up with messy but adorable hair. Those blue eyes are so expressive. The cat is redecorating the wall in an
Playtime it is. Rock, paper, pause. Every brushstroke takes him further away from this world. Hey guys.
This has got to be some sort of joke because oh, sorry to bother.
Warning, moving your leg is now strictly forbidden by forest law.
2 seconds outside and he's done. Cats are surprisingly talented at turning calm situations into chaos.
Once nursing it back to full health, they were finally ready to release it back into the wild.
Oh no, Bear is just taking his mobile buffet to a more private location.
Awesome.
Huh?
He's not messing up, he's just docked for charging.
Come here, you may
help you?
This 4-year-old female elephant can paint pictures of trees. Who knew elephants had artistic skills?
Accompanies it.
Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah.
Easy.
Easy, girl.
Did you know elephants can spend up to 16 hours a day eating? That's just what it takes to keep that much energy going.
They finally found where the missing sock dimension starts. Underwater tour guide, and here we have some vintage human artifacts.
If you love this amazing breed, don't forget to hit that like button.
Which cat and puppy meeting melted your heart the most?
Is this the new 10-step skincare routine, a Tamandua deep cleaning facial?
Hey, little guys.
A comment below. Let me know which moment brought you the most joy.
As I'm pretty sure I could start braiding my eyebrow hairs. Like they are long as fuck. Get one of these little guys.
Мося провалился в болото. И где Мося? Это кто висит там, а? Что за Мося?
Looks like the start of a new friendship. Just your average neighborhood stroll, with no head.
Is this shocked face due to the cat's own doing or pure shock at its handiwork? Who
Found the real-life Snow White.
My God, you guys, he's on me.
Was chasing a wildebeest when the unexpected happened.
Most cats want belly rubs. Dudley just wants to rotate.
knocked the phone, then handled the witness? This cat leaves no loose ends.
Two siblings who have been left alone with the snacks for 5 minutes.
Two.
Okay.
Three.
What is that, pretzel? Am I about to get shot?
Every brushstroke takes him further away from this world.
king-like posture while being carried. This cat is completely natural and comfortable. What a boss.
And a baby echidna on the side of the road. What a weird looking potato.
I've heard of helper dogs, but helper chicks. This is next level support.
Friends, trust me, you're gonna love today's video.
Not every meeting needs a welcome speech.
Somebody wants all the hugs.
When the local wildlife is more concerned about recycling than your neighbors.
Bed, bruv. Hurry up. Let's go. Back inside your bed. Hurry up. Hurry up. Back inside your bed. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, this has to be my favorite Halloween look. Jaguars can adapt to almost any environment, from dense rainforests to wetlands and open land.
Oh my god.
Did you do that?
At that.
Baby! Oh my god, it's so cute!
This kitten really loves hide and seek. Wonder if it'll fall asleep in there. Even their way of showing affection is a bit cat-like, irresistibly cute.
Lily, touch. Good.
Oh no, Bear is just taking his mobile buffet to a more private location.
Paw Tap says, "Welcome home, but I still need more information."
Oops, this potato just fell into such a deep REM sleep.
Alright, good night, Gally. Alright, Mac. Good night, Bob.
Lions live in close family groups called prides. And affection helps keep those bonds strong.
This cat's epic sleeping posture, probably dreaming of being a superhero.
For some reason, something about plant water just feels premium.
The cats are all waiting, and there's Jeff. Jeff's just like waiting with the cats.
Jeff politely invited himself to dinner.
She has in her kennel, and I look over. I've never seen this toy before. Because it's a block of ice from the backyard.
Who are you?
I'm Pam. Who are you?
I'm the owner of this house.
Where can I sign up to volunteer and play with this baby? The bond between a keeper and their animal is truly magical.
Make it happen.
Trust doesn't come easy for some dogs.
I like you. Sure, I like you.
Jaguars can adapt to almost any environment, from dense rainforests to wetlands and open land.
This kitten really loves hide and seek. Wonder if it'll fall asleep in there.
Harp seal pups are born with a fluffy white coat that helps them blend into the ice, but they keep it only for a few weeks.
When the cat turns a cardboard box into its favorite toy.
Seeing a whole family of elephants cross the road like this is pretty rare. Even the safari guide said this was a first for them.
Leo, bang. Stay.
He is a fat bear. Oh my god, the Gina bear.
So chunky. There's a lot more over here on this left side.
Warning, moving your leg is now strictly forbidden by forest law.
Why are my eyebrow hairs this way?
Everyone expected jealousy, but this cat decided the puppy needed a gentle bodyguard.
Can't go anywhere without his favorite toy.
The bear. Behold, an apex predator.
Is this shocked face due to the cat's own doing or pure shock at its handiwork?
Small dog, big drama.
That's all for our video. Did you find these kittens cute, mischievous, or playful? Which moment surprised you the most? Share your busy with your phone, human. This cat is demanding attention right now. Prioritize cuddles.
That's a very special kind of comfort. Chose him. Nothing is wrong with his legs. He just chose the laziest possible way down.
What's he doing?
Look at that aggressive crunch. That almond never stood a chance.
For their burrows to protect them from heat and predators.
You love these cute moments. Hit that like button. You'll even see a special cat icon pop up. Tell us in the comments which encounter.
That face says it all.
Hey guys.
This has got to be some sort of joke because oh, sorry to bother.
Look at the side profile.
Luffy, you're gonna. Oh, he punctured it.
Yes. How? What? You're an.
I'm Chelsea. What are you doing?
What?
Are you sucking up to Dad first thing in the morning?
This feels like the first step toward friendship after proper cat approval.
Someone has accepted his new life as a breathing jungle gym. Someone has accepted his new life as a breathing jungle gym.
Two seconds outside and he's done.
Just a thorough purse inspection, making sure everything is in its proper place. Appetizer. Toy snake. This cat has a very unique palate. Who can understand such tastes?
The only thing to stop this thief is a plethora of belly rubs.
Even their way of showing affection is a bit cat-like, irresistibly cute.
Allez, on essuie les papates. Allez, c'est bien, encore.
Legend says they're still chasing each other.
Eat it!
If pure joy was a dog, it would probably be a golden retriever.
Мося провалился в болото. И где Мося? Это кто висит там, а? Что за Мося?
Looks like, oh, looks like we had a bit of beef jerky. Tasty. Looks like we.
A self-care Saturday kind of lady. Watch and learn, people.
Bed, bruv. Hurry up. Let's go. Back inside your bed. Hurry up. Hurry up. Back inside your bed. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bag. And the club's won.
For their burrows to protect them from heat and predators.
Severe violation of security related.
The cat decided to turn the toilet into a...
You can already tell somebody made a terrible decision here.
Did you do this?
This kitten is so eager to catch birds but keeps missing. So incredibly adorable.
This poor pelican suddenly fell asleep.
Little guy, master of solo play.
Male sage grouse perform this display every spring in the same spot, called a lek, to attract females. For a bite. But that's not happening.
Rock, paper, pause.
Friends, trust me, You're gonna love today's video.
In a group,